How to find a substring within a string without taking whitespaces into account and knowing the original indices of string. Normally I use str.find to find a substring in Python. I have a special case at the moment. First I want to ignore the whitespaces, for example. I want find to return true when I search S2 and S3 in S1. Secondly, I want to get the starting and ending index of the substring within the original string. It could be that there are many spaces in the original string, for example. I would like to have indices starting at S and ending at G in the original string. Edit 1. To clarify, the spaces are insignificant in both source and the target string. Thanks.
You can create a regex pattern by first removing the spaces in the string you're looking for, then putting any number of spaces between each character. As you want to be able to use any special character in the search string, we also escape them. The regex pattern created and used by the function in this case was rs, rng, ? Note that the end index is 25, while the last question mark is at index 24, that lets you use S1 start column end to get the matched substring.
To ignore the spaces from any string, you could use string.replace. To find the substring within a string, you could use string.findSubstr. To find the location in the original string from the result of find, you will have to shift it by the number of spaces you removed prior to that point. You could certainly clean it up and or speed it up a bit, but this should accomplish the task in a relatively readable way.
You may test this out. Is the pattern to be searched is after any character, any number of spaces, with being the suitable quantifier. Sorry, I'm trying to getting used to giving runtime inputs and trying to minimize variable usage clumsily, but this works perfectly fine.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.